Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Do you all seeing my videos regularly? Okay, last class what we have seen? The second lesson, the learning the game. Did you see the video? Okay. You should see the video, then only you can understand the lesson. Understand? Okay, now it's a story about what? Sachin Tendulkar. So it is an autobiography. From the autobiography, they extract this story. Okay, so it's the words were spoken by Sachin Tendulkar itself. Okay, what we have seen. Did you remember the story? What is that? First, he loved cricket very much. So, what are the players he loved very much? Favorite players are Sunil Gavaskar, Vivid Richards. So, he loved them and he adopted the mannerism from them. Okay, how they are playing. Okay, so he likes him very much. So he not only loves the batting, he loves bowling also. And then which school he studied? He studied in New English School. But he want to change the school to Sadashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai. Who is the coach? Ramkant Ajrekar. Why? Because in the school only they are giving cricket coaching. Okay. So he want to change his school. And then so his brother name is Ajit. So Ajit also giving some suggestion to Sachin Tendulkar. And then what happened? So his coach giving training in his school. Okay, with Sadashram Vidya Mandir. What is his coach name? Ramkant Ajrekar sir. So if you want to join in this coach, you want to bat well. So first time he was failed to impact the coach, but the second time he was paused in that test. Okay, so he batted well. The coach liked his batting very much, so he allow him to enter in the training session. And then what they given? What are the timings he was going to the Shivaji? In the Shivaji Park only they are giving the training. So morning you have 7:30 to 10:30 a.m. In the morning he used to practice in the Shivaji Park. And while he was traveling from home to the Shivaji Park, his brother also traveled. They converse about batting. Okay. They enjoy the travel by speaking about cricket. And then what happened? So Sachin Tendulkar was a middle class family. He was a middle class family. So he had one set of cricket clothes only. So when he was eating the lunch, that time he will dry up the clothes and then he used to wear the same clothes. Okay. So so he came from middle class family only. So what are the next thing we have seen? And then his coach called his father, Sachin Tendulkar father. So his coach Ramkant Ajrekar sir called his father. Who is the father? Sachin Tendulkar's father and Ajit. Okay, his brother, and discuss about the school. Okay, and discuss about the school to change. Okay, and then at last they decided to change the school. Okay, from New English School to Sadashram Vidya Mandir. And then in my first year, Sadashram, I played 55 practice matches. Okay, he played 55 matches during the summer break for 60 days. Okay, and then sometimes his father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit. Sometimes his father came and giving some treat also. To whom? Sachin Tendulkar. And then when he was traveling in the bus, he was describing. Okay, he was carrying the kid. Okay, in that kit he has the gloves and bags and everything. Okay, so sometimes the ticket conductors will ask him two tickets, to take two tickets, because the basket is very big. So the conductor would ask him to take two tickets. So it's a so everything is a what is that? His own experience he was telling. And then up to that we have seen in the last class. So now we are continuing. Only two paragraph is there. Even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such fun, that I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the nets. So Sachin Tendulkar as to go to the training session, but he loved cricket playing with our friends in the colony. Okay, so he is telling, so I loved cricket, but sometimes I love playing with my friends. Okay, if I didn't turn up Ajrekar, so if I didn't go to the training place, Ajrekar, who is Ajrekar? His coach would come in the scooter and he will scold him. Okay, so would spot me in the melee and virtually drag me. Okay, forcefully he will take him to the training session. I would come up with excuses, but he would have none of it. He would get me to change and head off to Shivaji Park. Okay, so he will, Sachin Tendulkar will tell some reason, but his coach didn't excuse him and he will drag him to the Shivaji Park. Why? Because there only they are giving the proper training for cricket. On the drive he would tell me, so he is having the scooter. In the scooter he will carry that Sachin Tendulkar, and then he would tell him, don't waste your time. So his coach is giving advice to Sachin Tendulkar, don't waste your time playing inane games with these kids. So what his coach is telling, don't waste your time with playing these kids. Cricket is waiting for you. So his coach is telling, cricket is waiting for you at the nets. Practice hard. So his coach is giving advice. What advice he is giving? Practice hard and see what magic can transpire. Okay, so his coach is telling, if you practice hard, so there is a magic is waiting for you. Okay, there is a transformation is waiting for you. So who is telling this? His coach is telling to the legend Sachin Tendulkar. At the time I hated being dragged, but sometimes I hate, okay, because he loved playing with the friends. Okay, sometimes I hate this, but as I look back I feel sheepish about my action, can only admire Ajrekar sir foresightedness, but his coach know how much talent Sachin Tendulkar has. Okay, sir also punished me on occasion. So sir means Ajrekar, his coach has punished him on occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. Okay, one day you want to teach him a important lesson. Once I bunked my daily evening practice. So one day I bunked means I cut the practice. Okay, where he is getting the practice? He is getting the practice in the Shivaji Park. Once I bunked, I cut out the practice to watch an inter-school cricket match. Not anticipating that sir would be there. So I'm not going to the practice section. I'm going to the inter-school cricket match. Okay, so I'm not going to the training section. I'm going to inter-school to see the match. Okay, he is cutting the training and going to inter-school to watch the other games. And then he was very angry. Who was very angry? Ajrekar sir was very angry. He said, it was not for me to come and watch other people to play. So you don't want to come here to see other people are playing. Okay, If you practiced hard well, one day the people across the world would come and watch you playing. Okay, you don't want to see others playing, how they are playing. If you practice hard, the people across the world will come and see you. Okay, if you practiced well. So who is giving this advice? His coach is giving advice to Tendulkar. Had it not been for Sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. Okay, I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinarian. So what is that? Tendulkar was telling about his coach. He is a strict disciplinarian. Okay, discipline. Okay, the coach is very very disciplined. Did everything he could for me. So he done everything for me. I owe myself to him. So I want to thank with my bottom of my heart. To whom? To my coach. He only changed me to become a what is a famous cricket player in the world. So this is a story, very interesting story. It's all about Sachin Tendulkar. What are the experience he have seen in his life from the childhood up to the training period. Okay, so mostly in this lesson he tells about his coach only. Okay, how much what is that? How much effort he put in him. Okay, to become a legend. Okay. So this lesson is a very beautiful lesson. You have to. So here page number 25. There is one box is there. In this box, it's about Sachin Tendulkar. You should read that. Okay, what are the awards he got and everything is given. So read that. Lesson also you have to read. If you have any doubt, you can ask through my mobile. Okay, we will see you in next class. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.